Hello students, in this video we shall see how to rationalize the denominator. We have taken these 4 questions and through these questions we shall learn this topic, rationalize the denominator. In the first question we see that denominator is root 3, which is irrational number. So this 2 by root 3 we multiply by root 3 in the numerator as well as denominator. So we multiply and divide by root 3 and we get numerator as 2 root 3 and the denominator as root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 square, which is equal to 3. So denominator gets rationalized. The second question we see 1 upon root 8. We can rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 8, that is okay. But since root 8 is a greater number, we try to factorize and simplify it. So how to get factors of 8? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So this can be written as 1 upon root of 2 into 2 into 2. Since this is a square root, we take a pair of 2 2's. This pair we take outside the root and this becomes 1 upon 2 root 2. So 1 upon root 8 is reduced to 1 upon 2 root 2. This is irrational number. To rationalize this, we multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. So what do we get? 1 into root 2 is root 2 upon this 2 as it is, and root 2 into root 2 square, and root 2 square is 2, and that is equal to root 2 upon 4. So again this denominator gets rationalized. Now see these two questions here, denominator is a binomial. In these cases we have to understand what is conjugate of an irrational number. If the number is 2 plus root 5, then its conjugate will be given as 2 minus root 5. So what we do is we just change the sign of irrational part and we get the conjugate. Now we solve these two questions. Now see question number 3. Denominator is 2 plus root 3. What is conjugate of the denominator? Is 2 minus root 3. So multiply numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. In the numerator we get 1 into this term is same 2 minus root 3. And in the denominator we have two brackets. We can use the formula a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So it is 2 square minus root 3 square, that is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3, that is 2 minus root 3 upon 1, that is 2 minus root 3. So denominator gets rationalized. We go through the next question, fourth. 2 upon 1 plus root 3. Conjugate of the denominator will be 1 minus root 3. So multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus root 3. Numerator becomes 2 times 1 minus root 3 and denominator becomes a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square, that is 1, minus b square, that is root 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. We can write this as 2 bracket 1 minus root 3 upon 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now this 2 can be cancelled and this minus sign remains. So we can write this as minus of 1 minus root 3, and if we take this minus sign inside the bracket, then signs of these terms get changed. So minus root 3 becomes root 3 and this 1 becomes minus 1 and denominator is cancelled here. So denominator gets rationalized. Thank you.